breaking away in the first of his many 9G turns. And remember, that is 9 times your body weight. Back into what he calls a double corkscrew. Leaving the reheating gauge there, you can see all that power coming out of the back end of the Typhoon. During this turn, he'll be pulling yet another 9G. You're all weighing 1G out there a moment, just standing up. Imagine increasing that to 9 times. You will be pushed into the tarmac. Coming back now, putting up into the first loop of this year's display. And again, for a jet of this size and power, it all operates in a remarkably small piece. Good look at you from the underside. And sporting now this wonderful D-Day 80th paint scheme, representing a 257 seen in the skies on D-Day, the 6th of June. Now in a barrel roll, repositioning for another fast pass. So keep your hats on, as I say again, as he takes the throttles out of reheat just to slow the jet down and beyond going over 600 knots, because that's the speed limit here. Otherwise he'll go supersonic. Here we go. That's what 600 knots look like. And giving you all a wave of jet noise as he pulls around there at the far end. Setting up now to come out of that 9G turn, assisted of course by his full body G suit and pressure breathing, into some aileron rolls. Taking the power back off there for a moment, using all the energy. Slowing the jet down a little bit. Its performance across the speed range is absolutely extraordinary. Just look at that stunning, slow roll. Absolutely outstanding. D-Day 80 years ago, Denson Jenkins would have been flying his Hawker Typhoon over Normandy in the role of the fighter bomber, the first aircraft to truly claim that title. Now take a good close look at this, of course, as he slows the jet down now into a high alpha pass with the stick-way bank. Little onboard sensors and the canard there just twitching away to ensure that the aircraft doesn't lose control of itself, but all in very, very good hands. Back now to around about just 110 knots. Keeping the speed low, pulling out into the smooth speed route. You get a chance to look at the underside of this aircraft, you get a chance to see all the hard points with the free-fall bombs, the paveways, the anti-air rockets, and of course the chucking in another roll down. A good view of the top side as he pushes away, rushing to his head. Continuing that push now up into a negative G half Cuban. Always a pleasure to bring back on some positive G. All the blood now going the right way round. It's all that speed coming back in. The weight of the jet assists bringing the speed back up again. Putting up now. G coming on. And thrilling stuff indeed. We're enjoying every minute of it. It's good to see Red 10 just arriving. Fantastic news. Halfway through this display now. Just remember all the amazing amount of activity that Turbo has here, and this remarkable airframe itself, structurally strong enough to withstand all these high G forces, and plenty of situational awareness for the pilot, provided by a whole range of different multifunction head-down displays, a head-up display, and a helmet-mounted display. Really exhausting in many ways, but of course the cockpit of the Typhoon is actually quite comfortable and air conditioned, and he has all the equipment on board. And disappearing now, the way to leave an air show is just to go vertically upwards. That is what he is doing. Trying to punch. Absolutely superb stuff indeed. Supply to you